If you're thinking about buying Email List Verify for your email marketing, you'll want to know these 7 things first. Trust me, there are some important factors that can save you time and money. I'll compare it to some of its competitors. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this tool is the right fit for your business. And just so you know, you can try it for free through the first link below, so stick around for the best deal at the end. Now, let's dive into it. First off, Email List Verify is a robust email verification tool that ensures your email list is clean and up to date. But unlike some of its competitors, it focuses heavily on delivering results without complicated setups. You get fast, accurate email verification with up to 98% accuracy and a quick turnaround time. This is a major advantage over tools like Zero Bounce, which tend to be a little slower and pricier. Next thing you need to know, Email List Verify offers competitive pricing. If you compare it to other popular platforms like Hunter.io or Neverbounce, Email List Verify tends to offer more bang for your buck. They provide bulk pricing options that make it scalable for businesses of all sizes. Plus, the credit system is flexible, meaning you can pay for what you use without locking yourself into a huge monthly fee. The third thing is the quality of their results. Email List Verify does an excellent job of catching invalid emails, disposable email addresses, and even spam traps, which are common issues with email lists. Some services might miss these, but Email List Verify is thorough, ensuring your lists stay in top shape. The platform also offers a great real-time API integration, making it perfect for companies that need to verify emails as they come in, something Mailgun or Kickbox might charge extra for. The fourth thing to note is its user interface. The platform is intuitive and easy to use, even for beginners. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of Email List Verify. You can upload your list in seconds, view detailed reports on verification statuses, and even download results easily. In comparison, some other tools can be a little overwhelming, especially for people who are new to email list management. Next thing, if you're managing a larger list, Email List Verify's bulk verification feature is a game changer. Unlike tools that make you break your lists into smaller batches, Email List Verify lets you upload lists in bulk without issue. And for those of you with massive email lists, their verification engine runs fast, meaning you won't have to wait around for hours to get your results back. Another key point, Email List Verify offers excellent customer support. If you ever run into trouble or have questions, you can count on them to be responsive and helpful. Their support team is available 24/7, which is something not all competitors can claim. With platforms like Neverbounce or Bright Verify, you may run into longer wait times, especially during peak hours. And finally, Email List Verify gives you the option to download your results in multiple formats. Whether you prefer CSV, Excel, or others, it's all available. This flexibility allows you to integrate your email verification process smoothly into your existing workflows, no matter the tools you use for email campaigns. Many competitors don't offer as much flexibility, often forcing you to fit their process into your own. So, if you're looking to clean your email list efficiently without spending a fortune, Email List Verify is one of the best options out there. It balances cost, quality, and ease of use better than most other services on the market. Now, if you want to try out Email List Verify for yourself and get an exclusive free trial, just click the first link in the description below. You'll be able to test everything and see firsthand why so many marketers and businesses rely on it to keep their email lists clean and high performing.